Good morning, good morning. I know this looks really weird, and this is just for video purposes. I wanted you to know that I shampooed my hair this morning without braiding and banding. But I am going to braid and band my hair after wrapping it up. Yeah, kind of crazy. But this is Jean G, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. And thank you, subscribers, for all of your help. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, hopefully this gets your attention and you will join the Jean G family. So click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. See you in a little bit. Good morning again. My hair should be, well, I'm going to say that I should at least have a lot of the water out of my hair. Look at this. I haven't seen my hair like just straight in a long time because I always braid and band beforehand. I didn't braid and band before shampooing this time. But what I did was make sure that my hair was resting on my shoulders while I was in the shower shampooing my hair. It felt pretty good. I didn't get the feeling of some insecurity that I usually get when I am shampooing my hair without braiding and banding. Now, I am now combing my hair. And I comb my hair with my fingers because I can feel my hair this way. I have seen and discussed with at least one client a comb that is being marketed for Sisterlocks and Microlocks. I don't understand, but one of my clients did purchase the comb and she told me she was sending it back because it served no purpose. And she realized that what she wanted, she could do with her hands. And I totally agree with that. I totally agree. A comb is really not needed unless you just want to scratch your scalp or something like that with a comb. I am going to use some Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse on my locks. I'm not going to use a whole lot. Like, this is what I'm going to use on this braid. Now I'm going to share with you a picture of the comb that she purchased and some examples of some combs that are being marketed for Sisterlocks and Microlocks. And I want you to tell me what you think about it. Would you purchase a comb? Have you purchased a comb? How would you use it? And do you think it's really necessary? It reminds me of the way things are now for babies. And that I have members of my family that have purchased all these newfangled things for babies. When I was growing up and starting our family, I think the only thing that was available was probably a swing. I didn't have one of those either. A walker. And now we have the seats where the babies can be rocked from side to side. We have these little gems, and I call them a gem because the baby lays under it. It excites them. And they play underneath that. I guess it's to stimulate them. There are the mobiles that you put in the crib. I think that's for stimulation for the baby. But there's so many things. There are diaper genies. You drop your diaper in there, and it's just so many things that the trash can was the way to get rid of the diapers, disposable diapers. Things have changed so much. And as long as somebody will purchase it, they will market it, like the combs. for Sisterlocks. And when I saw the comb, I was surprised. I was just really surprised to see it. Because I never thought of combing my Sisterlocks. And if I had, I would have invented the comb. Yeah. So you tell me your thoughts on that comb thing. Do you need one? Yeah. I'm not gonna sit here in this camera the whole time trying to make you watch me braid all of my hair. I think that I am going to go ahead and braid my hair. And if I have to go out because I know my hair is going to be damp, I will put on a baseball cap, because one of my clients bought me a South Carolina State University baseball cap because she knew that was my alma mater. That's where I got my bachelor's. And so I can wear that. But until then, until I finish with this braiding, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to finish the braiding off camera. And I will see you guys in a little bit. I want you to know that you saw me use the little tiny rubber bands, and I use them on that side of my hair in the front, but I won't be using them. I only have 2, and I just want to make sure that I have enough bands for my hair. But I have some other ponytail holders or some other bands that I'm using on the end of my hair. They're not my favorite to be used, but they're better than the tiny rubber bands because I can get them off easier. But it's these, but I prefer using bands that don't have that little metal part on it. So I'm very careful when I put it on, and that I don't start with the metal part, but I may end with it. And I'm not going to put it on my ends very tight. This is it right here. And that's the end of it. And that's what I'm going to be doing today with my hair. And I'm going to wear these braids for quite a few days. I might wear these braids until Christmas Eve. Yeah. My 46th anniversary is on Christmas Eve with that guy. Yes. I'll see you in a little bit. I was getting ready to do something else, and I realized that I didn't come back to you after I finished putting the braids in my hair. So I'm going to show you that I have completed that task. And I added some of the mousse to the top of my hair to smooth out the frizz that also comes with my gray. And so I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17, 18, 19 braids in my hair. And this is my 360 with braids. See you again soon. On December 10th, I was in Charlotte, North Carolina, and inadvertently left my toothbrush in the hotel room. And I'd had that toothbrush for a very long time. And so I decided that I would replace it. Here it is. It's my Sonic electric toothbrush. 7 Magic. The other one was a little bit different, but it was Sonicare, and I'm just going to use this one. I've had that one for years and years and years, so it's been tried and true, proven to be true. Okay. So it comes with a charger. My other brush didn't have this little thing that came with it, but it looks like this is an attachment for the wall or somewhere where I can hang my toothbrush if I want to. Oh no, that's a wireless charger. Wow. Okay. It comes with 5 toothbrush heads, so I won't be ordering any replacements anytime soon. It has a container. Six toothbrush heads. And the base of my brush. It's more sleek than the other one that I had. I'm looking forward to using it. I hope it's already charged. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up to use it, and I just wanted to share this with you today. Have a great day. I'll see you soon if I have more to share. This one came fully charged. I don't know if you can hear that or not, and it is working. Yeah. I was just sitting around doing nothing, and I realized that we have a Christmas party coming up. I have no idea what I'm going to wear. And so I decided I'd pull out a few things and let you help me decide what to wear to this party. So give me your thoughts, because this video is going to be up in time for you to give me your thoughts. If this is a gold silk suit, double-breasted. I don't have on a top underneath because I'm not sure what color I should wear under this, if I wear any color. So please give me your suggestions. I'm going to go ahead and let you see what this looks like. And so right now it looks pretty monotone. This pants has pleats and a pocket. And it's double-breasted. It really doesn't show that the colors are the same. It looks a little different. And I think I like that. Really, I do. Goes with this. I certainly would add a little bit more sparkle, jewelry. But I'd probably wear my double gold necklace that has the pearls with it. But I need your suggestions on whether or not this is a good idea. And I'm going to go ahead and come out with something different. So keep watching. Keep watching. Outfit number 2, black wide leg pants by Banana Republic. I don't know where this sweater came from. Yeah, I did have it outside of my pants, and I pretty much didn't know about that look. So that's outfit number 2. In or out? I am not really feeling this look. Keep watching. Outfit number 3, sweater. same Banana Republic pants along with this green and black sweater. My Cole Haan pumps. The sweater seems to brighten up the outfit a bit at least. Yeah. If you notice, I'm now mixing and matching what I had on earlier. This is the pants that I wore with the silk suit and the sweater that I had on with the black pants. This is a two-piece. A green tank with a green skirt. My black Cole Haan pumps. Banana Republic jacket. I'm gonna try one more thing with this.